Hey girls! It's Monday and I'm filming from the exact same spot that I did last week, so that's awesome or something. Anyway, I'm going to work, which you might be able to see from this awesome, beautiful shirt or something, in about half an hour, and I've decided I want to go out there because, well, not go, I want to walk out there. Because then I will get some exercise or something. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, I think this week's theme was something about the supernatural or superstitions or something. I'm not quite sure how we're supposed to deal with this subject, but I can start off by saying that since I was, I don't know, 7 or something, I've believed in the Loch Ness Monster. Which is so stupid, I know, and it's kind of embarrassing seeing as I'm now 20 and I still sort of kind of believe in it. Yeah, I've read basically every single book about the Loch Ness Monster on my old school library. I can't even say it. Anyway, and there was something about people flying over the Loch Ness lake thing with a giant piece of bacon. And I don't know why people think that's a good idea, why they think, wow, we're really going to catch this monster, so bacon, we're going to tie an extremely big amount of bacon under this little air balloon thing. And they just flew over there, and, well, honestly, if the Loch Ness Monster exists, which I think it does, then it won't be so stupid that it will decide, like, oh my god, bacon. I'm so going up there. Even though bacon is good, I admit it, but still, how stupid do they think he is? I mean, he's been hiding. I do realize I've begun talking about the Loch Ness Monster as a he. I'm not going to delve any further into that, but anyway, he's been living in that lake for, like, who knows how long, and he hasn't been seen very much, so of course he won't come up for some bacon. He's not stupid. He knows he's gonna be used in a circus or something. Oh my god, I realize I'm sounding really crazy right now. Anyway, other superstitions like I can't walk under a ladder. I'm not really very fond of that. Not because I'm superstitious, but basically I'm pretty sure it's just gonna fall into my head. It's just gonna fall on me. That's what I was going to say. And every time a black cat crosses the street, I know it's not going to bring bad luck or anything, but I can't help but thinking, oh my god, it's a black cat. And I always say it every single time I say, black cat, ooh, what are we going to do now? I don't know. I'm so weird. And what else? Superstitious. I can't come up with anything. Speaking of scary stuff, though, the preview promo thing for the new Doctor Who episode. Oh my god! Look behind you. Why does he have to make catchphrases like that? I mean, seriously, are you my mommy? Or the angels are coming? Or don't blink, the angels are coming. That's, I don't, is that from Doctor Who? I don't know. Anyway, don't blink and, who turned out the lights? Who turned out the lights? And yeah, anyway, it's really creepy and I can't wait to watch it because I'll be in London when I'm watching it, which is awesome. So yeah. I don't know if I've got anything else to say except for the fact that I'll be going to London in, well, 5 days. And an awesome thing because Anya, who you know, Asta, and I think you know her too, Lisa, from Tumblr. I don't know, yeah, maybe. Anyway, she's coming to London the same time as I am, and so is Esther, so we're going to see each other, which sounded really strange, but we're going to meet up, everyone. Well, basically, Anya and I are staying in the same place, so we can't help but meet up, and we're probably going to spend the entire week together, but anyway, that doesn't matter. It's gonna be awesome, and one of my really good friends from real life thing, I don't know, she's actually coming there too, and she's going from the 5th to the 10th. I can't even say those things anyway. And that's gonna be epic. So I'm really going to have a ball in London. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Superstitions, creepy stuff. What else? I think maybe one of the reasons why I'm really scared of water, which I don't know if you know I am, but I am. I don't like water. Of course, I can swim in it, and I can swim, but I don't really like water animals. Like, I hate jellyfish, and I don't know. I'm scared of it all, and because it's so massive and big and black and dark, and I don't know. Yeah. Anyway, but I think part of the reason for that is because I believed in the Loch Ness Monster when I was younger, and I don't know. Somehow that just makes it all really scary. So now you know. Also, the reason I'm looking up here is because it's just with the window, or in the window, and there's this really adorable bird flying around. So now you know. Anyway, the reason I'm filming this right now and uploading this so late, because I know I will be, is because I'm going to work until 7 o'clock, and then my friend is coming over here, and we're gonna find out where she's going. Not where she's going, when she's going to London, or like which airport she's going to land in and stuff. So anyway, yeah. So I am probably going to delete everything I just said. I don't care. But yeah. Nice being back or something. I don't know what I'm saying. So Lisa, I'll see you Wednesday, and Asta, wow, that was wrong. What? Huh? Asta, I'll see you Wednesday, and Lisa, I hope to see you Friday, but I don't know about internet connections in London and stuff. Of course, there's internet in London, but I was thinking the place I'm going to stay, and yeah. But I am bringing my computer, so don't you worry, I will upload videos, or I'll try uploading videos at least, okay? Let's just say that. Anyway, yeah. So, bye, girls, or something.